I hope you'll come to my open house. Watch my video, but this is a property you'll want to see in person. With over 1,600 square feet overlooking Doctor's Pass, this 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath condominium is waiting for the buyers who want to have dolphins, manatees, and pelicans showing off for them daily. Located in Admiralty Point, you simply can't pass up the opportunity to have immediate and private access to both the beach and the bay. This property boasts granite kitchen countertops, hurricane impact windows, and recently installed carpeting throughout. Wake up in your spacious master suite overlooking Doctor's Pass while glimpsing the amazing Gulf of Mexico. And with a guest suite including full bath and separate lanai, this is a perfect home to enjoy with guests in a comfortable, spacious setting. Admiralty Point 1 sits at the cusp of Doctor's Pass as it flows into the Gulf of Mexico and offers peaceful and up-close sightings of dolphins, fish, and waterbirds. This community, located on 10 acres of waterfront property, offers extensive lifestyle amenities, including boat docks, 2 clubhouses, a new fitness facility, 2 hard-true tennis courts, a kayak launch, and a kiddie pool. Admiralty Point is unique because it offers both sunrise and sunset pools to enjoy from morning to night. Contact me for more information on this listing or any other real estate in Naples.